morning children. Today I am going to take the class for 7th standard. Subject Geography. Term 2, Unit 1, Resources. Now we will see what are the things we are going to learn in this lesson. Learning objectives, the meaning of resources, next different types of resources, the need for conservation of resources, and the economic activities. These are the things we are going to study. First we will see the resources. Resources means nothing but defined as anything that fulfills human needs. Which fulfills human needs is said to be resources. All the resources have value, either commercial or non-commercial. Commercial means great economic value, example petroleum. Non-commercial are very abundant. Abundant means more in availability, example air. Okay children, now we will see the resources can be divided on the basis of natural resources, man-made resources, human-made resources. First we will see the natural resources. It is directly provided by nature, example air, sun, water and etc. Now we will see the classification of natural resources. According to the basis of this origin, development, renewability, distribution, ownership, etc. This natural resources can be divided. First we will see origin. Origin may be classified into biotic and abiotic. Biotic means all living resources, example plants, animals. Abiotic, that is non-living things, example land, water, air, minerals. Next we will see the development. Development is divided on the basis of that is actual resources and potential resources. Actual resources are used, quantity available is known, example coal at Neyveli. These potential resources are not used in present and its quantity and location are not known. Actual and potential. Actual resources are used at present and quantity available is known, whereas potential resources are not used in present and its quantity, location are not known. Children, on the basis of renewability, it is classified into renewable resources, non-renewable resources. Now we will see renewable resources. After consumption, means swallow, taken, resources can be renewed. Example air, water, sunlight. Now we will come to non-renewable resources. It has only limited stock. They become exhausted, empty after use. Example coal, petroleum. Now we will see the distribution. It can be classified localized resources, universal resources. Now we will see first one. Localized resources are present in specific particular regions, example minerals. Now come to universal resources. These resources are present everywhere, example sunlight and air. Now come to ownership. It can be classified on the basis of individual, community owned, national resources, international resources. Now we will see individual resources. Actually it was privately owned. Example, that is example apartment. Next, community owned, utilized by all, example public parks. Come to national, it includes political boundaries and oceanic area. Last we will see international, utilized after international agreement takes place. It was utilized. Okay children, we will see that resources can be, that is natural resources, man-made resources, human resources. These resources are modified or processed by technology into, that is for example sugar cane processed to get sugar. So, these natural resources are modified or processed by technology. That technology used by, that is into man-made resources. Example, sugarcane processed to get sugar. Now we come to human resources. Actually, human resources are a group of individuals who use nature to create more resources. Though human beings are basically natural resources, we can classify human beings separately. That is education, health, knowledge and skill. They have made them a valuable resources. By using this knowledge, health, education, they are a valuable resources. Example, doctors, teachers, scientists. So this one is human-made resources. Now we will see transforming of raw materials into finished goods is called it as secondary activities. Transforming into finished goods, that is said to be secondary activities. Tertiary activities are basically concerned, what is concerned with the distribution of primary and secondary products through a system of transport and trade. Through a system of transport and trade, for example, banking, trade and communication. So we have seen tertiary activities, that is tertiary activities concerned with what? The distribution of primary and secondary products. That is through the system, what is the system of transport and trade. Example, banking, trade and communications. Now we will see resources planning or the management. Actually, resources are limited. It is unevenly distributed. Not evenly, unevenly distributed. So their planning is quite necessary. We want to use it in necessary manner because they are limited and unevenly distributed. So we must plan it how to use it so that we can use them properly and at the same time we can save them for our future. So this is resources planning or management. Since it is very limited, we want to use carefully in planning manner because we can save it for our future. See that how to preserve, that is conservation of resources. Conservation is preservation. Careful use, we must use it careful. Use of resources is called what? Conservation of resources. Due to rapid fast increase in population, resources are being used very fast. Due to this rapid increase in population, we use very fast these resources. So natural resources are depleting fast. And then wisely using resources can control the depleting ratios. So wisely we want to use it. Because of increase of population, that is rapid increase of population, resources are being used very fast. So depleting fast natural resources. So for that, quietly, that is wisely we want to use it in purpose to control the depleting ratios. So sustainable development can take place when it takes place, that is some examples are given, that is pollution is prevented, environment is protected, and the easiest that is conservation of resources is 3 R's, that is reduce, reuse and recycle. This is the easiest way. Reduce, we must reduce. Reuse, once again we want to use it, and recycle. So this is the easiest, 3 R's is the easiest way of conservation of resources. Okay children, so far we have seen resources about the lesson. We have learned how to preserve it. So we will see in the next class. Thank you.